Oh, hey, y'all. Hey, oh!
Dismount. It's me, Muggsy Jeans. Double kick! You might remember me from my 80s action flicks. Dirk Denim, The Glutes of Atlantis, and Leg Sweat 2, Return to Chubbs. But what you may not know is I'm also the namesake of these here beauties. Muggsy Jeans. And just like me, these jeans are soft on the inside, but tough on the outside. Soft. These things are so stretchy, I could do anything. Like dominating the pickleball court, doing outlaw dance moves in a worn-down barn, walking on the sun, surfing the big waves in my uncle's old jacuzzi. I mean, I could go on and on. Bowling a turkey with a turkey, running a marathon sideways, playing some friendly kickball with the local kids, figure skating on an iceberg, yeah, jump splits, Muggsy, stretchy, strong, soft, strouchy, yeah.